Hey everyone! Today let's understand one of the most important topics in Salesforce architecture, integration patterns. Whenever Salesforce needs to communicate with external systems like SAP, banking applications, payment gateways, or websites, we use integration patterns. These patterns are basically best practices that help systems exchange data in a structured, secure, and efficient way. In simple words, integration patterns decide how systems talk to each other. Now let's look at the major types of integration patterns. 1. Remote process invocation, request and reply. This is a real-time integration pattern. Here, Salesforce sends a request to another system and immediately waits for a response. For example, when a user clicks Check Loan Eligibility in Salesforce, the request goes to a banking system and the response comes back instantly as approved or rejected. This pattern is mainly used when users need immediate results. Technologies like SAPI, SOAP API, and Apex callouts are commonly used here. Simple understanding: Salesforce asks a question and waits for the answer immediately. 2. Remote process invocation, fire and forget. This pattern is different because Salesforce sends the data but does not wait for a response. For example, when an order is created in Salesforce, the order details are sent to SAP in the background and the user can continue working without waiting. This is called asynchronous integration. It improves performance because users don't have to wait for external systems. Platform events, queuable Apex, and outbound messages are commonly used here. Simple understanding: Salesforce sends the message and moves on. 3. Batch data synchronization. This pattern is used when large amounts of data need to be transferred between systems at scheduled times. For example, every night customer records from ERP systems may sync into Salesforce automatically. This is useful when real-time updates are not required. Technologies like MuleSoft, ETL tools, bulk API, and scheduled jobs are used for this pattern. Simple understanding: large data transfer happens in batches at specific intervals. 4. Data virtualization. In this pattern, Salesforce accesses external data without storing it inside Salesforce. For example, a banking system may store transaction history externally, but Salesforce can display that information live using external objects. This helps avoid data duplication and reduces storage usage. Salesforce Connect and OData are commonly used here. Simple understanding: Salesforce views external data live without copying it. 5. UI update based on data changes. This pattern is used when the UI needs to update automatically after data changes happen in another system. For example, a payment gateway updates payment status, and Salesforce automatically reflects that in the UI. This ensures users see the latest information instantly. Technologies like Lightning Web Components, LWC, and automation tools are key here. Now you've got the overview of integration patterns. Dive in and explore these patterns to build seamless, powerful integrations in your Salesforce environment. And Salesforce immediately refreshes the screen to show payment successful. This creates a real-time user experience. Technologies like platform events, streaming API, and change data capture are used here. Simple understanding: when data changes somewhere, Salesforce UI updates instantly. So overall, integration patterns help Salesforce communicate with external systems in the best possible way based on business requirements. Some patterns focus on real-time communication, some focus on performance, and others focus on handling huge amounts of data efficiently. Choosing the right integration pattern is very important for building scalable and reliable Salesforce applications.
Thank you. Subscribe to Salesforce Adventures for more videos